Built for performance and reliability, Konica Minolta Sensing's CM3700A is a state-of-the-art benchtop spectrophotometer designed to evaluate the color and appearance of solid, translucent, transparent, and fluorescent samples small to large in size. This advanced spectrophotometer measures with high accuracy and repeatability, even at low reflectance and transmittance. Ideal for customers with strict measurement requirements, the CM3700A is designed for color formulation, analysis, and quality control inspections within research and manufacturing environments. This versatile spectrophotometer precisely measures the color and appearance of a wide range of samples, including dyes, plastics, paints, textiles, glass, and ceramics. The CM3700A spectrophotometer is compatible with SpectraMagic NX software, which records measurement data and provides a more comprehensive color analysis. 3700A is manufactured by hand using strictly selected quality parts. This level of detail and care provides unrivaled durability. The advanced optical system is designed without compromise and offers a superior inter-instrument agreement of 0.08. Measurement data is seamless internally and throughout the supply chain. The CM3700A acts as a reference instrument in a global color management network. The versatile CM3700A is built with comprehensive measurement functions. Measurements made in SCI, or specular component included mode, are unaffected by surface conditions, ideal for use in color formulation and computer color matching procedures. Measurements made in SCE, or specular component excluded mode, are sensitive to surface conditions, ideal for use in quality control and visual evaluations to ensure the consistent appearance of products. 3 aperture size options are available to meet the user's sample and application needs. Once selected, the CM3700A automatically detects the aperture size and communicates this to SpectraMagic NX for improved user convenience. The variable UV cut filter enables users to measure samples containing optical brighteners, such as paper, pulp, and chemicals. A sideless transmittance chamber makes the measurement of transparent and translucent samples with various lengths and sizes easy. The unwavering performance and long lifespan of the CM3700A is recognized by top-ranking institutes and leading manufacturers in various industries. With service facilities worldwide, Konica Minolta Sensing has a comprehensive support system. For more information on Konica Minolta Sensing's full line of color measurement solutions, or to schedule a free demonstration with one of our color experts, visit us online at sensing.konicaminolta.us or call 8